Look, she's talking. Last episode, we made her move. But now, Pixar-Cardi B is straight up having conversations. And I'm about to show you exactly how to bring your Pixar characters to life in under 90 seconds. Here's what blew my mind. You don't need Disney money for this. We're taking our best Pixar-Cardi video and dropping her right into Runway ML's lip sync video tool. But here's the crazy part. This AI reads lips and matches any audio. Watch this magic happen. 1. Open Runway ML. Step 2. Click Dashboard. Step 3. Hit all tools. Step 4. Find lip sync. Now upload Pixar video. Next, add your audio file. Finally, hit the generate button and wait for the magic. Oh my God, she's copying my exact movements, the facial expressions, the hand gestures. She's literally me, but as Pixar-Cardi. But wait, it gets better. Nobody tells you. You can control everything. Watch what happens when I add more dramatic expressions. The AI copies it perfectly. It's like having a personal motion capture studio. Pro tip, record yourself with clear upper body motion, face visible, hands in frame. And here's my secret weapon for better results. Increase facial expressiveness for more emotion and boost gesture tracking for better hand movements. This makes her expressions way more Cardi. And here she is, Pixar-Cardi B copying my every move. She's got my gestures, my attitude. She's basically my Pixar twin. From a simple image to a full performance clone in under 5 minutes. But I need your help deciding what's next. Smash that like button if this blew your mind. Comment now who I should Pixarify next. Prince Harry and Meghan Markle, Kendall Jenner, Beyonce. Hit subscribe for weekly AI magic. And next week, we're making Steph Curry play basketball Pixar style. You don't want to miss that.